Are you ready to discover the incredible ways you can make money using artificial intelligence? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world of opportunities. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries across the globe. And guess what? You can tap into this technology and earn some serious cash. Let's check out 3 fantastic ways anyone can make money with AI. First up, we have AI-powered freelancing. Are you a freelancer or looking to become one? Well, AI can supercharge your skills and open up new avenues for success. From content creation to graphic design, AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and increasing your productivity. So you can take on more clients and earn more money. Next, we have AI-driven online businesses. With AI, you can enhance customer experiences, optimize processes, and even predict market trends. Whether it's using chatbots for customer support, leveraging AI algorithms for personalized recommendations, or analyzing big data to make smarter business decisions, AI can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. It's time to turn your online venture into a money-making machine. Last but not least, we have AI investing. Yup, you heard it right. AI algorithms are reshaping the investment landscape. You can leverage AI-powered trading platforms and robo-advisors to make informed investment decisions based on real-time data analysis. No need to be a Wall Street guru. Just let the AI work its magic and potentially grow your wealth. So, my friends, whether you're a freelancer, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone interested in growing your wealth, AI can be your secret weapon. Embrace the power of AI and unlock a world of possibilities. Remember, the future is now, and AI is here to stay. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and make money while leveraging the incredible potential of artificial intelligence.